Oh, hey, I didn't see you come in. What am I playing with right now? Well, this is your entry into the world of VR. This is the Parat VR 15. This is a complete turnkey VR system. It's meant for education. It's everything you see here. Totally turnkey, ready to go as soon as you open the box. Except maybe you gotta charge some batteries. So what do you get? Well, not only do you get this awesome case, but it's got charging capability built in. If you look over here, you're gonna get 15 devices. You've got the capability to charge each one. Got these little USB cables that come with it. They charge right there in the case. In addition, you get a tablet. This would be your teacher's tablet, lets you run the show right from there. You've got a wireless router built in. All the devices come preset to the router. They all come with Google Expeditions app pre-installed, so you're ready to go. In addition, you get 15 VR headsets. They just open up like this. You put your device inside, close it, and you're ready to go. Like I said, there's 15 of them. Case lifts up here. You'll find the rest of them down below. But you've got it all in here, in this case, ready to go. It's awesome. Now you might be thinking, you know, I'm gonna get a bunch of cell phones and put them in my class. Well, you're really not. You're gonna get a bunch of devices, 15 of them. This is a dummy phone, so don't go by this exactly. But you're getting purpose-made devices that fit into here. They fit into your VR headsets, and they're purpose-made for this package. They're not cell phones. They don't have any cellular capability, only Wi-Fi. So that's a pretty nice feature. You don't have to worry about kids texting or calling anyone during class. Again, this comes pre-installed with the Google Expeditions app. So as the teacher or instructor, you go on there, download the Expeditions you want to use, and then you run the show from the included tablet. This is the easiest way to get into the world of VR. It's everything you've got here, literally ready to go. You're going to open up the case, turn it on, and use it. It doesn't get any simpler than that. And this is a lot of fun, by the way. Again, real easy to use for the student as well. You open up the case, you drop your device in. It's another one of those dummy phones. And we're ready to go. That's it. So why don't you call us here at Touchboards. We'll get you set up with your VR system, and you'll see parts of the world you never knew existed.